Alright, welcome to the unboxing. I just got a package from Amazon, so I am going to unbox it. We are going to see what is inside. No, it's a little guy. Hey! 50 lumens. Alright, folks, so I bought some replacement puck lights for my house. If you don't know, we are very, very, very prone to power outages in my area. So I have puck lights in just about every room. So let me go get one and we can compare these with the ones I've already got. So these are the puck lights that I already have. And this particular one is a pop on, pop off, but it takes 3 AAA batteries. Here's the problem with this. These batteries run out really quickly. And I just bought these batteries, but I need more of them. So they're not lasting. So these are supposed to be rechargeable puck lights. Oh, here we go. Check it out, folks. You can charge 3 of them at a time. Hey, that is the coolest cable I've ever seen. Alright, that is the coolest charging cable I've ever seen in my life. Excellent. Now, we've got 4 of these in here, which are going to replace the 4 that I have in my house. So these are EZvalo LED puck lights. They're 50 lumens. It's a warm, cool, natural light, and they're supposed to last 50 hours, I think. I think that's what I read on the website when I purchased them. But the goal is I won't have to buy any more batteries for these. Oh, I think they're poppers, though. Yeah, they're poppers. I'm not sure how well it's going to work in my bathroom, but let's see. Okay, good. So I can pop these off the wall if I need to take them with me, because I use these as a flashlight too. They're not charged. So I use these as flashlights too, so I'll pop them off the wall, and like, let's say I don't have the light on in the kitchen. I can use one of these to get my way through the kitchen, because the light in this kitchen that operates this light right here is way over there. Way over there. So you have to walk through a dark kitchen to turn on the light. This house was not designed well. Alright, so that's good. You can pop them off. They are not charged, so I'm going to take them over to my brand new charger and charge it. Wait, they're off. Hey, they've got on-off switches. Oh, it is charged. There we go. Well, that's cool. Okay, so it pops on and off. Does it have a sensor in it? That's my question. Okay, so it's got a C charging port, which, fine. Remove protective film from the plastic plate. Oh, that's to stick it on. I want to rotate it. Click. So this one's on. So they've got the clickers, and then supposedly there is a green light if it is fully charged. I don't see any light. A double tap supposedly switches the color temperature, so there's on. Okay, it does switch it. Huh, okay. It's got different colors. That's cool. Alright, the only issue I have with this is that they are pop on, pop off. So they're not going to be as great in my bathroom because the one I've got in there has a sensor on it that you can wave and it will turn on without me having to touch it. That's the only issue I see. But cool. All right. This is cool. Alright. So let's see. I wonder if these will fit on my existing plates. I've already got these hung up. Let's go see if this is good for the existing plates. So here's one. Let's go in the other room and look. So I've got a plate right here already on the... nope, it's different. This one has 2 and this has 3. So I'm going to have to take that off the wall. Alright, I think the others are exactly the same way. So let me see. Yep, it's got 3 and mine have, the new ones have 2. Alright, so I'm going to have to take these off the wall and put these on because it's not going to fit. Will not fit. Alright, so I got to install the new plates. I decided not to take the old puck lights down. I just put the new ones above the old ones. And I pretty much did the same thing in here. I installed the new one above the old one. There's technically nothing wrong with these. They still work. They just take batteries. And same thing over here. I just installed it right there. And in the bathroom, this is the only one that's broken. So this light right here is actually broken. It's rusty and everything inside of it is rusty. So this one is trash. I'm going to go ahead and put this one in its place. The only problem is I have to touch this one. And they are a bit smaller than the ones I had, but that's okay. This one is trash. Alright, so that's the end of this video. I think these puck lights will work out great, and it looks like I can charge 3 out of 4 of them at the same time, which is excellent. I was afraid it would take 4 cables to charge all 4 lights, but they thought ahead, so that's great. I'm going to throw this one away. It's the only one that was damaged beyond use. And that's the end of this video, folks. I think those puck lights will work great. Have a wonderful day.